Hey, welcome to Black Gumbo Southern Gardening. You want to win some seeds? Stay tuned. All right, well, here's the deal, folks. I've got some seeds. I've got a bunch of seeds from Generations. This is just 1/3 of the big haul that I've got here, and you can win them. Here's what we're going to do. I'm going to give away a large garden green pack. This is 11 seed packs, and I've got 3 of them to give away. I have an herb pack. This is 6 packs of herb seeds, and I have 3 of these packages to give away. I've got a small garden greens pack. This is got some collards, some spinach, lettuce, kale, that kind of thing. I've got 3 of these packs to give away as well. So how do you win these seeds? Well, if you will leave a comment on this video, then you will automatically be entered to win one of these 9 seed packs that I have from Seeds for Generations. So just leave a comment, say, hey, I'm interested, I'd like to win some seeds. Maybe even tell me some things that you've learned from my channel. It doesn't matter. All you have to do is leave a comment below. What we're going to do is we're going to somehow, I'm not entirely sure yet, but we are going to make sure that we randomly select 9 winners. And those 9 winners will be the recipients of these seed packs, and I'll mail them to you, and hopefully they'll get there in time for your spring season, wherever you may be. So this is only open to people in the continental United States. I can't ship overseas, I'm sorry. There's all kinds of bad policies in various countries about shipping seeds overseas, so this is only open, unfortunately, to those people who live in the continental United States. I can ship to Hawaii and Alaska, so that's fine too. If you leave your comment below, you will be entered. So how do you know that you won? Next week, within 7 days of this video, I will publish the winners. I'll do so either on a video or maybe even a live stream. I'm not sure yet. But either way, you'll be able to find out if you won. Your username will be announced on a video. And all you'll need to do is drop an email to the email address I put in that winner's video. And let me know your shipping info, and I'll get them right out to you. So, yeah, real easy, man. Just leave a comment in this video, and you could win some seeds. Well, you might ask what's in this for me. Not a whole lot, actually. Except that I get to pay back what you guys have shown me in the comment section over these past many years. You are a wonderful community. I am very grateful for all of you. And I thought, well, you know, I just need to give back. I need to give back to my community. And the best way I can think about that is to give you seeds, man. Seeds are wonderful. Everybody wants some seeds for the spring garden. So here's an opportunity I can give to you. So let's make this fair. You know, don't comment like a million times. 1 comment is sufficient. And we're going to do a random selection of commenters, and hopefully that will be you. Well, there it is. It's so easy to win some free stuff from Black Gumbo Southern Gardening. Seeds for Generations. Use the link below. You'll support our channel. And if you want some free seeds from this wonderful seed company, leave a comment below, and you are automatically entered. Talk to you next time. Happy gardening to you. See you later. Bye-bye.